It's February, 30 degrees outside, and temperatures have been rising day by day. If you are fond of growing lotus and water lilies in container, now is the best time to get busy. From planting a new variety to repotting an old tuber, you can't miss this weather. Cause if you plant now, by the time summer comes, plants will be ready to flower. Hi, this is Saurabh from Gardening Escape. Today I will show you how to dig up lotus tubers and how to replant them. Now digging up tubers from mud is both tricky and messy. Tricky because couple of healthy nodes can be damaged if not handled carefully, and messy because of mud spilling all over the place. To solve both these problems, I will start digging from the center spot. Lotus tubers actually circles around the edge of a container. So if we dig up from the middle, we can avoid any possible damage. Keep an empty pot nearby to store those tubers. The key of uprooting undamaged tubers from mud is keeping patience all along. Look how many tubers I got from a single pot. I will wash them thoroughly with water. Now I will look for healthy runners and tubers that will grow again in my garden. Anything brown and soft is rotten from inside, so discard those and only take white and hard ones. With a razor blade, cut off any dead or rotten part. You can divide long runners into several pieces and plant them in another container. After all the sorting is done, fill up your container with chlorine-free water and keep those tubers floating for at least 7 to 10 days in a bright sunny area. Within those days, tubers will form new roots and leaves. That's when you know it's time for planting them. Last year I was growing lotus in an 8-liter tub, but this year I am going to use a 24-liter tub. First put 1-inch layer of well-aged manure or vermicompost at the base. After that I will use last year's pond mud I have been using for my lotuses. Pour the mud gently to avoid spilling and spread it out evenly. Make sure there are no gaps inside. Now take a tuber and begin planting along the edge of the container. As you know, lotus tubers actually circles around the edge, so planting them in circles will kind of activate the runners. Keep new leaves upward while planting and press the tubers 1 inch deep into the soil. Finally, add plenty of water and leave everything up on those guys. Certainly they will keep surprising you from this summer to fall. That's it for this video. I will come back with more tips and tricks of growing beautiful lotus once these plants start showing true leaves. There's a video on micro lotus available on this channel. Check that out from I button above, and for other videos check out the description box. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit thumbs up and leave a comment with any questions or tips you wanna share. Thanks for watching. Stay fit and happy gardening.